So that's the little simple demo for the refill kit. Now these kits now, depending on the refillable cartridge system type for your particular Epson printer, the little cartridge chips. Let's open up this one to show you. So this is the kit that's intended for this printer. But let's show you. You've got these little chips on the end of the cartridge. Now, these cartridges, depending on the type of they all behave slightly differently, one Epson model to another. Most of our refillable cartridges for Epson printers are fitted with auto reset chips, which allow you to reset the printer lights, those little lights across the top there. It allows you to reset the printer lights by moving the cartridge carrier to the ink change position. You take out the particular colour cartridge, click it back in, and it resets, which means to say that when we've just done that refill operation, it will naturally reset. So the light will have come on, we'll have taken out our brand cartridge, we'll have filled up our new refill cartridge, clicked it in, the light would go out. Now when we decide to refill, we can either take the cartridges out to refill, or we can actually refill them in situ. But so long as we remember to just take it out a little bit and just click it back in, that will make sure that the lights go out. Now, to my knowledge, the only Epson refill cartridge, the Epson compatible refill cartridge that does anything other than this, is the one for the Epson R800 and R1800 refill cartridges, and in that case we simply supply a nice little chip resetter that we use to just reset the chip. It's very straightforward. You push the button down here and the little light flashes. That's very straightforward, and the beauty of all of these systems is that within the pack, let's open up the pack a little bit further, let's see if I'm right. Within the pack you've actually got a dedicated bit of instruction for the particular chip. So hopefully you can never go wrong as far as resetting is concerned. And for those of you that don't absorb this video, on the back of each pack we've got a nice little set of instructions that does take you through the initial filling sequence and of course the refilling sequence as well. So the instructions are very clear. Now, a few years ago there was a stigma attached to refill cartridges, but nowadays far more professional photographic inks are sold around the world using refill inks than any continuous flow system, and you can see how clean, quick and simple this new generation of refill cartridges actually are to use. Now you can use these refill cartridges as a complete set. Let's go and get a complete set. So you could buy the whole 6 or the whole 8 set of cartridges. You could refill the whole lot and put them all in. But a lot of our customers have said, look, when we run out of ink, we don't tend to run out of the whole lot in one go, and we don't want to waste the ink that we've already bought, because let's face it, it costs a fortune. Now, the licensed chemists tell us that when you replace these cartridges, the colour rendering is largely unaffected while you're changing over one colour at a time. But the licensed chemists do advise us that you should, if you can, leave the magenta changeover till the last. Now, the reason for that is that's where you do get a slight colour change from the Epson standard to the Lyson standard. Then at that time the Lyson ICC printer profiles can be applied, and the Lyson laboratories will create for you a high-end custom profile for your complete set of Lyson cartridges, completely free of charge for your favourite Lyson paper. All you do is you follow their instructions. You print out this high-end test target, which is almost 1,000 patch profile. That's 3 times higher than most people use in the industry. And you're able to actually print this test target out, send it back to the Lyson laboratories, and they will give you a custom profile for your favourite Lyson paper that gives you the sort of accuracy in monochrome that is fantastic, gives you great saturated colour, nice clean yellows, a good rich black that lifts off early, and you're using the Lyson media, the Lyson papers, which are the best in the industry. I have to say, we've been doing the Lyson challenge for year upon year upon year. We put ourselves up against any other ink and paper combination in the industry, and we continue to beat any combination that's out there. So you're getting, hopefully you're getting the best of all worlds, where you're getting great economy of printing, you're getting a very simple, straightforward method of delivering the inks, and you end up to be printing at a truly professional standard. Now, if you have any further questions about this exciting new product, please email us at digital@marrott.com. Thank you for watching.